Hi guys, hello and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, Professor Saad. Today we'll talk about when presenting, how to present your presentation. Now there are three things that I've noticed with students or even with young professionals who are entering the job market and have to present and little mistakes that they make during presentations. For example, some of them do not know how to start their presentation in a presentation view, so they start showing their PowerPoint presentation exactly like this by going through their slides by clicking on it. And when asked, can you please go to the presenter view, they don't really know where to click. One way to start a presenter view would be that you go to the bottom right corner of your screen and you see this icon which looks like a slideshow mode. So you click on this and it turns your PowerPoint into a slideshow mode. Another place where you can go is a tab called slideshow. You click on that and right on the left corner you will see from beginning. You simply click on that and your presentation starts in the beginning mode. Also, if you are in the middle of your presentation, let's say I am on slide number 9 and for some reason I came out of the presentation and I need to go back and resume from slide 9, then you can click on From Current Slide option under the same slideshow tab. There are also keyboard shortcuts for you to remember. From beginning means if you want to start your presentation from the very first slide, you can press the function key F5. And if you want to start your presentation from the current slide, then you can press the function key Shift. While pressing and holding Shift, press F5. Now let's go to the third problem. Let's say I want to present my presentation and I hit F5, and right now what you see over here is what we call the presenter's view. Now the presenter view starts showing up especially in the Zoom screen. If this is your main screen, I've also noticed that people start showing their presentation in this mode. They don't really know how to change their mode from this one to the actual mode, which is actually getting displayed on a different screen, because usually this happens when you have multiple screens or dual screens. So they start going through their presentation by simply clicking on these arrows at the bottom. This is never meant to be the presentation mode or the slideshow mode. This is meant for the presenter's mode, where the presenter can see the next slide, and if the presenter has written any notes on the slide, those notes will be listed right over here. So what you can do to solve this problem is under the display settings, you can click on Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. When you click on this, you will notice that it actually brings this, your main screen, to be your presenter, your presentation mode, and the presenter view goes to a different screen. And now let's come to, if you want to end your presentation in the middle only to resume it back, you can press the escape key on the keyboard, and that will take you out of the presentation and will take you back into your regular PowerPoint mode. Now let's say if you want to start your presentation from the same slide from where you last left off, you can click on From Current Slide, and again you see that you are back to the same slide where you last left off, and click on Display Settings and Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. So this is how you can control things in PowerPoint. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So post your questions in the comment section below, so we'll be able to make videos on those questions. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.